Go ahead, fight, guys. We're ready.
No. I'm not ready. I never want to come over and do a cheeseburger ever again.
What? I didn't hear you.
What'd you say, Camille?
I never want to go to Target ever again.
Why? Why, Camille? I thought you guys wanted to fight.
I'm not playing anymore.
Why not, Camille? Was he mean to you? Did he hit you?
No. Yes. That's true. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Hey, one might see. Now stay still for 20 minutes.
Camille, no hands on brother. No hands on brother, Camille.
Hey, would you get
1,
this out for me?
2,
Would you
Camille.
get out this for me? This?
There's nothing that stays in there for permanently.
It doesn't stay in there. Sometimes it comes out. Ugh. Just help me. There is 2, but this one is not coming out. I don't like this thing.
What happened to the other one?
The other one fell off on the street, remember?
When? It fell on the street? What are you talking about?
Wait,